Welcome to our channel TechTube everybody, where we post tech related videos, and in today's tech video it's going to be about Midjourney. Now Midjourney is an AI which helps you create any image you want. You just have to give it the prompt. By prompt I mean you just have to type the type of image you want to create and Midjourney will create the image you want depending on whatever you type. If I type a person holding an apple, it will create that over here. You can see the example, people writing what they want, it is creating it over here. That's basically what it is. Alright, now let me show you guys how you guys can upload your image over here. Now before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel TechTube, then hit that subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, what you want to do is go on the Discord of Midjourney. This is the Discord of Midjourney. After you go over here, make sure you are in the channel called newbies. Now it doesn't matter which one of it, just be on one of the newbies channel. Once you're in the newbies channel, where it says message, click on it. Once you're in the message tab, you want to write this /DESCRIBE. Once you see this, it's going to display this option to you. Click on describe. Once you do that, it's going to give you this little box. Once you see this little box, it means you have done what is needed to be done. You can just click on it and it's going to open this. Now from this, you can choose whichever photo you want from your PC. Let's say I want to choose this photo. I can double click on it and wait for some time until it's uploaded, and it's done uploaded. What I can do is press on enter now. Once I press on enter, this photo will be uploaded on my Discord server. That's how simple it is going to be. Alright, so yeah, that's how you guys can upload any image you want on like the Midjourney Discord or on Midjourney. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel TechTube. Now it's going to take a bit of time, but it's going to be uploaded just like this, and it's going to ask me which type of variation I want. I can choose whichever I want and it will create that. Alright, so that's it.